Good morning, children. I once again welcome you all back to the class. Children, we were doing adjectives in English grammar, right? And we have completed the chapter. Today we are just going to revise. Now, children, we have completed this chapter number 13, adjectives. Okay, this will come in your final exam. So once again I will revise it. What are adjectives, children? The words that describe a noun. किसी भी noun को जो words describe करते हैं, those words are called describing words or adjectives. Like here you see, children, it is written Ram has a green school bag. So what type of school bag is having? The color of the bag is mentioned. So green is describing the color of the bag. So green is describing word. In Hindi we call it Visheshan, right? Next, my father is a tall man. What type of man? Tall, short, fat. What is mentioned? Which word is describing the man? Tall. So this is describing word. Okay. Puneet has a new pair of sport shoes. So new is describing. So this is describing word or adjectives. It is describing whether the shoes purchased or the shoes that Puneet is having is new or old. Okay. Next is India is a huge country. Huge means big country. So this is describing the size. So this is describing word. So therefore, children, all the underlined words, what happened? Yes, all the underlined words are describing some quality of the naming word. Therefore, these are called adjectives. The other name for adjectives is describing words, children. Okay. So adjectives, it is not necessary, children, that it is just placed before the noun. It can be placed after the noun also or before. Both the ways, if you explain or if you write in both the ways, it is correct. Okay, children. Like see here how adjective is used before the noun. Here bag is noun. BAG, bag is noun. And green is describing the color of the bag. So green is describing word. Okay. Next is tall man. Man is noun. Tall is describing the height. So tall is describing word. New shoes. New is adjective. Beautiful building. So beautiful is adjective. Next, how the adjectives can be used after, okay, after the noun also. Like, look here, children. My shoes are new. Now here the describing word is placed after the noun. This is also correct, children. Okay. These flowers are fresh. So fresh means it is describing word. It is adjective. So children, therefore it is not necessary that adjectives is always written before the noun. It can be placed after the noun also. Okay. So the words that describe noun are called describing words or adjectives. Okay, children. So you revise this chapter thoroughly. Go through the exercises that we had discussed in the last class. Okay. The exercises we have already completed. Let me turn the page. Yes, we had already completed these exercises. Match the column. We had fill in the blanks. And we had this short story given over here. And we had to underline the describing words. So I hope you all have done these exercises. And you have any doubts, you can clear when we meet in the interactive class. Okay, Google Meet. Here is an exercise that I have taken from your Hughes Semester 2 book, page number 34. Why I have taken? Because this adjectives is given over here, and with more examples I think the concept will become more clear to you, children. Okay, we don't usually take any grammar portion from Hughes Semester books, but here since we are doing this chapter and we have an exercise given here, you don't have to do it anywhere in copy. If you wish, you can do it in the book. This is just for explanation. I am using this particular portion of the chapter. Okay, children, this is page 34 given in your Hughes Semester 2 book. Just look here, children. A green umbrella. So color of the umbrella is being described. So green is adjective. A pink flower. So pink is the color. So pink becomes describing word or adjectives. A bright sun. So bright is adjective. A tall tree. Tall. A red car. Red. A small bird. Small. So all these birds which are highlighted in brown color, these are describing words. They are telling more about nouns. They are describing something more about these nouns that are given over here. Now we have an exercise given below. Let us see. We have to underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Ranjit is a clever boy. So clever is describing what type of boy is clever. So this is describing word. Boy is noun and clever is describing word. Next, number 2, you see children. The lion is a big animal. What type of animal? Big or small? Big. So this is describing word. The grey clouds are covering the sky. The grey clouds are covering the sky means the color of the cloud is mentioned. So grey. This is describing the color of the clouds. The yellow duck is wading in the pond. Wading means moving. So the color of the duck is described yellow. So yellow is describing word. The silver star is hanging on the Christmas tree. So silver is describing. The tall building has 20 floors. So tall, of course, is describing the size of the building, and the number of floors is also mentioned. Floor is noun, and how many floors? 20. So this is also describing the number of floors. Kitne floors hain? So this is also describing word, children. Okay. Next is the sad story made everyone cry. What type of story? Sad or happy? Sad. So this is describing the story. Next is 8 number. The giraffe has a long neck. What type of neck? Long neck. So long is describing word. So children, I hope with this the concept is more clear to you. If you wish, you can do this in your English U semester 2 book. Don't write anything in copy. Just you can do it in the book as a practice exercise. Okay. So with this we complete this chapter, and we are going to start a new topic in the next class. Till then, have a good day children. Thank you.